Chris?
Oh, I told her I would come get her. I'm sorry. That's my fault. I was supposed to go get her.
I'll pass up mine.
Oh, somewhere as well.
Thank you. Yeah, we need to wait for her because she had, I guess I'll have to resend what I said.
She has some report.
Sorry, Chris.
I apologize.
Yeah, I know, but it needs to be in another folder because that other one's closed session. Okay.
Okay, we're back in session at 9:42 a.m. Or, yes, 9:42 a.m. on July 26th. We were in closed session with our county attorney. There'll be no action taken. We just agreed to have our county attorney negotiate with a potential new business that is interested in relocating here. Our next item that we're fixing to talk about is our treasurer.
Okay, Judge, good morning. I have the financial statement. First of all, I'd like to say that I apologize for being behind, but y'all are well aware of the situation in my department. When all that happened, it was mid-June, and we were reconciling May, so I'm reporting May's report. Next report, I will be reporting June's report, and then I'll be caught up in August for July's report, okay?
Okay.
So I'm here to report the financial statement for the month ending May 31st of 2021. If you all look at page number 3, the monthly closing balance is $23,393,857.18. I hereby certify that this report is true and correct and request that you place it in the minutes.
All right, you've heard the request from the treasurer, monthly closing balance for May 31st, 2021, in $23,393,857.18. I hear a motion to approve this report.
I'll make a motion.
Motion made by Commissioner Daniel. Do I hear a second? Second by Commissioner Hale. Any questions or discussion? If not, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those opposed?
Okay, Judge, my next item is the affidavit just stating that the court has received, reviewed, and approved the financial report to be placed in the newspaper.
All right. Have an affidavit to be presented, to be placed in the newspaper regarding our financial report, our financial statement. Do I hear a motion to authorize this affidavit to be submitted?
I'll make the motion.
Motion made by Commissioner Kelly. Do I hear a second?
Second.
Second by Commissioner Purnell. Any discussion? If not, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those opposed? All right.
Okay, that's all I have, Judge.
Thank you, ma'am. All right. All right, that takes us to our next item, which is, my first item on my agenda is to appoint a committee to discuss possible actions that we can take involving the federal grant we received. I've always heard it called Rescue America. There's some different acronyms out there for it. So, but bottom line is we received about, what was it, Melinda, 3.6? I know it's 6,700,000, so whatever
It's
half
almost
that is.
3.6 million, I think.
$3.6 million that has to be spent along very specific guidelines. The registry for that, those guidelines ends today. And so we'll know a little bit more about how those guidelines will be and what we can do with that money. But what I'd like to do is set up a committee that can meet after we find those guidelines and register it, and have this committee present some ideas back to the Commissioners Court to vote on as far as to expend those funds. So I would like to name the following persons to the committee. The committee will be Jim Tyree, County Attorney, Melinda Silvas, Ida Tyler, Commissioner Chris Daniel, myself, Emergency Manager Jesse Mendoza, and our County Sheriff David Cocker. So, certainly not going to be an exclusive ideal committee, so anyone that has ideals are asked to submit those. Like I say, the guidelines though are very narrow, so that's why we have our county attorney on there. Anything that we come up with, we'll have to actually research it and make sure, because we are responsible for the funds, and if we spend expenditures on something that they come back later and say we're not allowable, then the county has to repay that money we spent. A motion to accept the names that I've placed on that committee.
I'll make the motion.
Motion made by Commissioner Kelly. Do I hear a second?
I'll second.
Second by Commissioner Cornell. Any discussion? Like I say, once again, this committee will be an ideal committee. There will be no decisions made on this committee on how we're going to spend the money. Those will be presented to the Commissioners Court, who will weigh in on that and decide how we expend those funds. Any other questions? All right. If not, all those in favor say aye. Aye. All those opposed? All right, item number B, there'll be no action. It was already presented by the auditor's office in regards to our doors, to the payment to Reed's Glass. The next item I have is the Hale County Hospital received a notice from Rudd Owen, who is their attorney, and says that their records reflect the following directors' terms ending on March 31st of this year. Each of the members I'm going to name have consented to serving a new 2-year term that began on April 1st and will end on March 31st, 2023. The following names are up to be presented as new for a new term. Donald Evelyn Jr., Danny Glenn, Bobby Hall, Jim Mock, and Francis Barrera. Any questions about those individuals? If not, do I hear a motion to present that they will begin a new term beginning in April, and we'll have a 2-year term from that day? I'll make the motion. Motion made by Commissioner Cornell. Do I hear a second?
I'll second.
Second by Commissioner Daniel. Any discussion? If not, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those opposed? All right. All right, let me find my Petersburg EMS report. For the month of June, Petersburg EMS had a total revenue of $5,098, total expenses of $22,273.44, for a difference of a negative $17,175.44. They had, for the month of June, 2 dispatches, 2 transports, 1 billable run. That was within the city limits. Outside the city limits, they had 2 dispatches, 2 non-transports, and so for a total of 4 dispatches, 2 2 transports, 2 non-transports, and 1 building. So hearing the Petersburg EMS report for June 2021, do I hear a motion to approve that report?
I'll make the motion.
Motion made by Commissioner Daniel. Do I hear a second?
I'll second.
I'm sorry.
So,
Okay, second by Commissioner Kelly. Did I say Commissioner? Mr. Kelly, Commissioner Kelly. All right. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those opposed? All right.
always in the net.
I was trying to say. I know he's been a little worse. And then item number E is new equipment request by the Hale County Airport Board. And I was not here Friday, so Stacy, do you want to help me on this one?
Sure. Good morning. The airport is requesting approval to purchase a Kubota tractor. It is a 4-wheel drive tractor with a blade and a bucket, with the intended purposes being moving dirt, filling in holes, smoothing out, snow removal around. We can't do the roadways, that's bigger than this little tractor could do, but around, office buildings and entrances to hangars and so forth. And it also has the capability of future attachment, purchasing future attachments, a broom, different things like that that we can use with it as well.
Okay.
The total quote was for $19,506.
All right, you've heard the request from Stacy to purchase this new Kubota tractor for use there at the airport in the amount of $19,506. Will that be an app?
No, it will be for that total amount, but previously when I did the budget amendment in her expense, she has a little bit of money in her new equipment line item. And so, I increased it in the budget to match, when I did that budget amendment it'll be this amount,
Okay.
$19,506.
All right. So you've heard the request in the amount of not only her new equipment item, but also in the amount of $19,506. Do I hear a motion to approve that?
I'll make the motion.
Motion made by Commissioner Daniel. Do I hear a second?
I'll second.
Second by Commissioner Kelly. Any further discussion? If not, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those opposed? Thank you, Stacy.
Thank you.
And then item F through L are properties or sales of properties. I believe they're all located in Petersburg. And so the first one is, I'm trying to see how I guess I'll just have to read the whole property description. Feet of east 125th feet of the north 100, 4.5 feet on block 15 of the White PE addition to the city of Petersburg, Hale County, Texas, at a value of $500. I guess we need to vote on one at a time, or can we vote on all of them at once? Okay, all right, do I hear a motion to approve the sale of that property?
I'll make that motion.
Motion made by Commissioner Cornell, do I hear a second? Commissioner Kelly, second. Any discussion? If not, all those in favor say aye. All those opposed? All right, item G is the approval of lot 3 on block 13 in the Schubert addition to the city of Petersburg, Hale County, Texas, at a value of $250. Do I hear a motion to approve the sale of that property?
I'll make the motion.
Motion made by Commissioner Kelly. Do I hear a second?
I'll second.
Second by Commissioner Daniel. Any discussion? If not, all those in favor say aye. Aye. All those opposed? Item H, the approval of sale of property of lot 10 on block 46 in the original town of Petersburg, Hale County, Texas, and a value of $250. Do I hear a motion to approve that, sell of that property?
I'll make the motion.
Motion made by Commissioner Purnell. Do I hear a second?
I'll second.
Second by Commissioner Daniel. Any discussion? If not, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those opposed? Item I is the approve of lot 10 on block 46 in the original town of Petersburg at a value of $250. Do I hear a motion to approve the sale of that property?
I'll make the motion.
Motion made by Commissioner Kelly. Do I hear a second?
I'll second.
Second by Commissioner Purnell. Any discussion? If not, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those opposed? All right, item J is the approve the sale of property, east 70 feet, blocks 10, 11, and 12, on block 47 of the original town of Petersburg, Hale County, Texas, at a value of $525. Do I hear a motion to approve that sale?
I'll make the motion.
Motion made by Commissioner Daniel. Do I hear a second? Second by Commissioner Purnell. Any discussion? If not, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those opposed? All right, item number K is west 65 feet of the east 140 feet of lot 12 on block 22 in the Schuler addition of the city of Petersburg, Hale County, Texas, at a value of $325. Do I hear a motion to approve the sale of this property?
I'll make the motion.
Motion made by Commissioner Kelly. Do I hear a second?
I'll second.
Second by Commissioner Daniel. Any discussion? If not, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those opposed? All right. And then number L, or item number, or letter L, is to approve the sale of property of lot 7 and 8 on block 21 of the original town of Petersburg, Hale County, Texas, at a value of $1,060. Do I hear a motion to approve the sale of this property?
I'll make the motion.
Motion made by Commissioner Purnell. Do I hear a second? Second by Commissioner Daniel. Any discussion? If not, all those in favor say aye. Aye. All those opposed? And that will conclude our agenda for today. So we'll adjourn.